everyone. I think everyone's still sleepy. I'll repeat that. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
This is a very special event, so I want everyone to be at their top energy levels, okay? Since this does not always happen, it's not always that you find people of different faiths or people with the lack of faith in one room. So I am here, yes, representing Patas and Happy. But I am here representing myself as well. So, what is my belief? To ask an atheist, that is quite confusing because for me, one thing I can say is that I believe in nothing. For I do not want to believe, I want to know. And that is the first and foremost way of how to approach atheism. Who do I believe in? I believe in myself. I believe in my friends, my colleagues. I believe in you guys who are here right now, taking time to listen to me, to listen to the other speakers. I believe in humanity. So, why do I believe in it? Why not? For me, there is nothing else in this world that can save us first and foremost but ourselves. With all due respect to the others, to Pastor and Father, with all due respect, but we have to start with ourselves first, right? We have to make the effort to improve our lives. We have to make the effort to find out as much as we can. We have to make that effort to always lend a helping hand with each and everyone. So why not believe in that? Why not believe in yourselves? Why not believe at that with that person beside you? I want you to take a look at that person beside you and tell him, I believe in you. You see, it's that easy. If you don't believe in yourself, how can you save yourself in the first place? If you don't believe in yourself, then why even try? You're like, oh, I don't know, I'm such a loser. I don't think I'll ever accomplish anything. No! First, believe in yourself. Tell yourself every time you dress yourself up in the mirror, I can do this. I will accomplish things. I will achieve greatness. Because everyone has greatness in them, but it is up to you to unlock that greatness. So how does it work? First and foremost, when I say I want to know, I do not simply conclude or take things at face value. I always say, whenever you find something that sounds sensible, always take it with a grain of salt. I always live by a credo of de omnibus dubitando. Everything must be questioned. Because if it is the truth, it can withstand all forms of inquiry and all forms of criticism. And that is why one must seek to know. Furthermore, how does it work? What does an atheist have to look forward in life to? Well, you may say that an atheist or a humanist or an agnostic or non-believer, for that matter, has no purpose in life, has nothing to look forward to. I don't know. I'm looking forward to a great dinner later on. But apart from that, the good thing about this is we do not go to people and say, I wonder what my purpose is. Because I know right now that I can define my purpose. If I want to make my purpose, if I want my purpose to be to resuscitate the economy of the Philippines, then it will be so. If I want my purpose to be president of the Philippines, then it will be so. If I want my purpose to be, let's say, taking the poverty and employment rate and cutting it in half, then it will be so. Because we define our own purpose. We define where we want to go. And so, What am I looking forward to? I'm looking forward to a great dinner. And I'm looking forward to a greater day tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day. Because I define what my day will be. I define what my life will be. And is that not what you want? Do you not want to be who you want to be? Do you not want a life that you want, that you define? Who says yes?
Yes.
Who
Yes.
says no? Who doesn't know? See? A majority of you said yes. Because that's it. By saying yes right now, and keeping your goal in mind, keeping what your life, what your purpose will be, you have taken that first step in defining your lives. You have already believed in yourselves. You have already believed in humanity. And that, my friends, is how our belief works. That is what we believe in. We believe in humanity. We believe in facts and evidence. But we do not just believe, we also seek to know. And that, my friends, is the side of humanism and atheism.